There is a spirit in the heart of every Korean, a spirit that cannot be broken, silenced, or erased by time. It is the spirit of resilience, born through generations of hardship, from colonization, war, and poverty. Yet they rose stronger, smarter, more united. What makes Koreans so distinct? Let the world understand, and let every Korean be proud. 1. Unshakable resilience. When everything is taken away, they rebuild. When they fall, they rise faster and stronger. This is not just survival, it's unyielding grit. Look at South Korea today. From ashes to a global leader in technology, music, film, fashion, and education. That is not luck. That is Korean determination. 2. Deep respect for heritage and family. Koreans bow not just out of custom, but out of honor. Respecting elders, protecting tradition, valuing roots. In a fast-changing world, Korea preserves what matters. It's in their rituals, in their language, in their hearts. The world needs more of this sacred reverence. 3. Unity and collective spirit. There is a word in Korean with no exact translation, jong. It's the emotional bond that ties people together. A warmth that goes beyond friendship or kindness. It's why they care deeply, share food with strangers, and protect each other like family. That's not just culture, that's humanity. 4. Relentless drive for excellence. Whether in the classroom or on the global stage, Koreans strive not to be average, but exceptional. It's why their students study hard. Why their K-pop idols train for years before debut. Why their films win Oscars. Why their cities rise like dreams turned real. Passion, precision, perfection. That's the Korean standard. 5. Creativity with discipline. Innovation in Korea is not wild, it is crafted. K-dramas touch hearts. K-beauty sets trends. K-tech leads the future. They mix art with hard work, soul with structure. The result, a nation that inspires the world with its balance of ancient wisdom and modern vision. So if you ask, what makes Koreans special? It's their heart, their history, their harmony. It's their ability to turn pain into strength, struggles into stories, and tradition into triumph.